Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of Wagen, Pampanga. We discover great places for you to check out.
For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga para i-celebrate or i-congratulate po ang newest open na Delizioso Pizza. Actually, na-feature na natin sila before sa bahay.
Yes.
Yan. And then right now, they just expanded. And tingnan nyo naman yung setup natin for today. Ang dami na lang new on their menu. And if you want to know more about this restaurant, samahan nyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so there you have it guys. Again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. Mark,
Yes.
sobrang excited ko dito kasi tingnan mo naman yung table natin.
So ano tayo ngayon? Pizza party. At the same time, meron din mga other choices
Exactly.
na pwede pagpipilian.
So, to let you know more about the products or the food that they serve here, let me mention po yung mga names ng mga pizza natin. So,
Yes.
para sa mga flavors natin, this one is the Aloha Extreme. Next is the Aloha Fiesta. Meron din tayong Deluxe Vegetarian. Ayan, so sa mga non-meat pizza lovers, meron pala tayong option dito. Yes, exactly. So, meron din tayong Classic Pepperoni. Very New York style. Meron din tayong Meat Supreme, which is, I think, this is one of the best seller dito.
Yes.
Meron din tayong Pizza Quattro, wherein you have 4 flavors in one pizza.
Wow, nice.
Yes. Meron din tayong Pepperoni and Ham, which is this one. And this is the Classic Margherita.
Wow!
Yan. Meron din tayong Bacon Alfredo. And then lastly, this is the Cheese Mania.
Yes, nice. Combo naman nila. So meron silang mga iba't ibang klaseng combo and other choices. So
Yes.
meron tayong dito yung sample natin is yung combo 1, which is yung kanilang fried chicken with rice and gravy.
One-piece chicken, yes.
Yes. At the same time, meron na rin siyang iced tea.
Imagine, 79 pesos, you get your complete meal. No?
Yes. Sa mga kids naman, meron tayo ditong spaghetti, meron tayong lasagna, and baked macaroni. Kayo naman mahilig sa fried chicken, meron silang bucket dito. At syempre, hindi naman papahuli yung mga drinks natin. So, meron tayong mga dito yung mga lemonades.
Lemonade. And we also have some buko shake, no?
Yes.
Ayan. And then additionally, meron din tayo ditong buko pie. And you know, for appetizer, meron din tayo mga fries.
Yes.
Okay. So, I would like to ask you guys, kung kayong nandito, ano yung una nyong kakainin? You know, leave them at the comment section para po alam namin. But para sa'yo, Mark, ano yung unahin mo? If
So,
you were-
ako siguro unahin ko yung kanilang pizza. Since nakilala naman si Delizioso sa
exactly.
kanilang mga pizza. So, syempre, titigman ko kanilang margherita.
Yeah. Ako naman is this Aloha Extreme. Isa sa mga sikat na flavor, of course, is Aloha sa mga
Yes.
Pilipino. Kasi we like yung sweet and sour and salty ng pineapple, ng mga meat, at of course, yung cheese. Wow.
So naman kung ikaw yung cheesy lover, for sure ma-appreciate mo to kasi yung pinaka-pizza niya is full of cheese.
Loaded, kumbaga.
Yes.
Ako, I would like to comment again. I believe nasabi ko to dun sa vlog natin sa bahay. I really like their dough. Ako, ganito yung perfect dough na gusto ko. This one, I like it.
So parang
It's soft
ano
one.
siya?
Yeah.
Malambot. At the same time, kahit yung pinakadulo kakainin mo.
Yan, so titikman ko naman yung kanilang chicken. Oh, appearance, size, and the smell, it's very comparable sa mga ano natin, mga fast food natin.
At the same time, you have a choice to pick kung anong part ng chicken yung gusto mong i-take.
Wow. I really like the gravy. A little bit peppery. Ako gusto yung ano, medyo strong in taste eh. So, I gotta commend yung kanilang mga gravy.
Siyempre naman sa mga drinks nila, ito yung mga hinahanap-hanap ko is their lemonades. So titikman ko kanila yung lemon orange na drinks nila. Napaka-refresh yung mga ano nila,
Yup.
mga lemonade.
Yep.
Ito yung mga hahanapin mo na may asim. At the same time, mare-refresh ka
No?
talaga.
Ako naman sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa ano nila. So, fried chicken.
Yes.
Okay, next na gusto kong tikman is yung kanilang baked macaroni. So this one, it has loaded sa cheese. It's a little bit Filipino in flavor. Kasi not too sour. A little bit of, you know, the sweet side at saka peppery, spicy, ganyan.
Siyempre, yung counterpart naman kanilang Big Mac is kanilang lasagna.
Lasagna. Wow!
Yun, no?
So this time, I wanna try naman yung kanilang buko shake. Ayan.
Lasagna nila, napaka-creamy, napaka-cheesy.
Yes.
So for only 119 pesos, for sure, mabubusog ka na dito.
Yep. Now, yung macaroni naman nila is 109 pesos. And then yung spaghetti like this one, this is just 49 pesos.
49 pesos.
Grabe, more pizza. I think I'm gonna try one more pizza. I'm gonna go for this one. So this is their meat supreme.
So ito naman, isa na lang pepperoni and
Yes.
ham. Yan. So syempre, titikman din natin. No?
Ang sarap. So, very suitable po for family sharing, lalo-lalo na hindi tayo nakakalabas ng bahay. No? Available po sila sa Foodpanda and Grab Food. At the same time, meron din silang in-house delivery.
Kung gusto naman na mag-dine-in kayo or mag-pick up ng food nyo, so they are located dito sa may MacArthur Highway, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark nila is katapat lang nila yung Wagen, Pampanga. They were open from 10 a.m. until 8:30 in the evening.
So far, nakatingin ako ng dalawang pizza nila and I gotta say, masarap din yung kanilang fried
Yes.
chicken. So,
Actually,
very recommended yung fried chicken. There you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, if this is helpful to you guys, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi pa po kayo subscribe sa channel namin, please do so para updated po kayo sa mga places na dinidiscover natin dito sa Wagen, Pampanga.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.